everyone. Welcome to VLearn Tutorials. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will do chapter 2 Banking of Class 10 ICSE Board. So let's start by understanding the meaning of banking. So students, I am sure everyone you have seen your parents, they are going to banks. So what do they do there? Yes, I am sure you all know banking is something which is related to money. So there are two activities which we do in the banks. Those two activities we can see, either we deposit money or we withdraw money from the banks. Deposit means if we have some money, instead of keeping at home, we will keep that money in our bank accounts. And withdraw means we will take money from the account, from our bank account. So you might have seen sometimes we withdraw our money by using ATM, since ATMs are very common nowadays. So these are the two main activities of banking: depositing of money and withdraw of money. Depositing means I am putting down my money in my bank account instead of keeping cash at home, and withdraw means I am taking the money from the bank. Now, the main thing which we have to do in this chapter is related to depositing of money. In deposit also you can see we have two types of deposits. One is fixed deposit and the second one is recurring deposit. And in this chapter you will deal mainly with the recurring deposit. Now we will understand the meaning of both the type of deposits. Fixed deposit means if we have a large amount of money with you, for example 1 lakh or more than 1 lakh, means 5 lakhs, something very big amount which you cannot keep at home. So what you will do? You will deposit that sum of money at one instant. You will deposit that sum of money into the bank for some fixed tenure of time. For example, if you have 5 lakhs, you will deposit 5 lakhs for 5 years, and after 5 years you will get the maturity of the amount which you have deposited along with the interest. So this is fixed deposit, paying or depositing large amount of money at single shot into your bank account, so that after that fixed time you will get your money back along with the interest for 5 years or whichever your tenure of time is. Now let's understand the recurring deposit. Recurring deposit is a thing, this deposit you have to do, or you have to do the sums related to recurring deposit in this chapter. So let's understand what is the meaning of recurring deposit. Recurring deposit means when you are depositing money every month. Every month you are depositing some money into your bank account for fixed tenure. Fixed tenure means every month you are depositing 500 and you will continue to do this for 12 months. So this 12 months is your fixed tenure, and for every month till this 12 months are over, every month you are paying rupees, or you are depositing 500 to your recurring account, and along with that you are getting some interest also. So after 12 months you will get the amount which you have deposited every month along with the interest. So the only difference between fixed deposit and the recurring deposit is that here also you will deposit the money, here also you will get the interest, but the only thing is here you are paying your money at one shot. At the starting you will pay the money. In recurring deposit you are paying the money every month. Every month you are paying some amount like 500 or 2000, small amount you are paying every month for a fixed tenure, maybe for 12 months, for 24 months, and after the time gets over you will get your matured amount. Matured amount means the amount which you have paid and the amount of the interest which you will get on this amount. So after a fixed interval of time, you will get maturity amount. So this maturity amount is the amount which includes the amount which you have paid. The amount which you have paid or which you were paying for every month in case of recurring deposit and plus simple interest. So same is with fixed deposit also, you will get your principal amount plus the interest, but the only difference is here you are paying monthly, there you have paid in one shot. So now in this chapter there are few terms which you have to understand. Two formulas are there. You have to understand those terms, and then all the numericals are based on one single formula which we will do now. So in banking we will be dealing with two formulas. So first formula is of simple interest, which is P into N plus 1 into R over 2 into 12 into 100. So this is the first formula which we are going to use in this chapter, and the second formula is of maturity value, which is P into N plus simple interest. See, don't get confused like my simple interest was P into R into T by 100. Now we are dealing with recurring deposit accounts. This was for fixed deposit accounts. So as of now, in this entire chapter, the formula which we are going to use for interest will be, interest or simple interest both are same, will be P into N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. And this is our maturity value. Maturity value means the amount which we are going at the end of our tenure. This includes the total amount which we have paid plus the interest for our amount. So now let's try to understand the meaning of these terms. P is in this case it is a principal amount, but this is the amount which we are paying per month. So we can say it is installment per month. P is installment per month. Now N is your number of months. And this time N will always be in months. If the time is given in years, first of all you have to convert the time into months. And you can convert years into months by multiplying that number with 12. So N is your time. R is same as rate of interest. So these are the terms which are used in the formula. Now in M is maturity value. I have written in short. M is maturity value. P stands for installment per month. N stands for number of months, and SI stands for your simple interest or interest. So in our entire chapter, these are the two formulas which we are going to use. Let's continue. Question number first of exercise 2A. So let's read it out. Manish opens a recurring deposit account and deposits rupees 600 per month. So you have to write it down, the terms which you require. P, N and R are the terms which we need to find simple interest. So let's keep on writing these terms side by side. So they are telling deposits rupees 600 per month, which means deposit per month is referred as P, and I'll write 600 over here, per month for 20 months, which means N is equals to, N is number of months, which is equals to 20. Now we have to calculate maturation value at the rate of 10% per annum. So R they have given 10% per annum. So what we have to calculate? Our maturation value or maturity value, which we know the formula for maturity value is P into N plus simple interest. which means to calculate my MV, which is maturation value, I need to calculate simple interest. So for simple interest, we will just calculate simple interest by using the formula which we have discussed just now. See, the banking is very easy. Only one formula you have to use in the entire chapter, but sometimes your calculations may get complex because these terms may be very big. So just try to make sure your calculations won't go wrong because sums are very easy. So let's see what I will get the simple interest. So simple interest, the formula which we have done is P into n plus 1 by 2 into 24, 2 into 12 into R by 100. So we will just fill the values. P is 600, N is, see, I have written over values over here. P is 600, I am just putting P in place of P. N is 20, in place of N I will write 20 now. 20 plus 1, see, here is also N, here again N. 20, 20 plus 1, then below I have the low value is 2 into 12. From here I can see R is 10. So in place of R I can write 10 by 100. So now, in order to make calculations easy, what we will do? First we will cancel the zeros. See, all the things are getting multiplied, I can see. So in multiplication and division, in this case, sideways cancellation is always possible and up and down cancellation is possible. So I will cancel these two zeros with these two, and first I will write, now I can write 6 into 20, bracket means again multiplication is there, 20 plus 1 is 21. Now I will write, see, if this sign is there, this means everything is getting divided by this number. So I will write it like this, into 10. These two zeros I have already cancelled, so now I am left with 2 into 12. Now let's do further calculations. So if cutting or cancellation is possible, we will do, because it will make our calculation, our multiplication much easier. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 4 is 12. Now again 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 5 is 20. Now my denominator is 1. I am left with 1 into 5 into 21 into 10. Denominator is 1, so no need to write. 1 into 5 is 5. 5 into 21, let's multiply. 21 into 5, 5 into 1 is 5, 2 into 5 is 10, 105. 105 into 10, it will be 1050. So now I got the value of simple interest. I have just put the values of P, N and R in the formula of simple interest, and I got the value of simple interest 1050. See, the calculations can be complex, but the sum was very easy. Now since we have got simple interest, now we can calculate the maturation value. So maturation value is P into N plus simple interest. P is 600 into N is 20 and simple interest is 1050. I have to do multiplication first, because according to BODMAS rule, multiplication should be done before addition. So multiplication should be done before. 600 I will multiply with 20. So 6 into 2 is 12. I will write the remaining zeros as it is. 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. 6 into 2 is 12. Remaining zeros can be written as it is. 1, 2 and 3 zeros are there. And it can be added to 1050. Now it is simple addition, we can do right like this. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this will be the value of a maturity amount which the person will get after 20 months. So with this answer you always have to write rupees. Now in this video we will do till here, and in the next video we will continue the next sums of this exercise. And if you are understanding the concept, please like and share the video. Thank you so much for watching the video.